Google has launched a new open source model and it is called as Gemma 3 270 million. So as the name tells you, it is just a 270 million parameter model. That's extremely small, but it performs very well. And as this image says, it literally beats Qwen 2.5, which is a 0.5 billion model, and this is way better than that in that evaluation. And it comes almost close to Llama 3.2, which is a 1 billion model. So imagine it scores almost the same for a model which is 4 times larger in size in parameters. That's how good this model is. And when I checked in Olama about the size of this model, here you can see Gemma 3 270 million. It is just 241 MB in size and its context length is 32K. And here are the main functionalities of the Gemma 3 270 million model. First thing is, it is so good in case we want to use it as a fine-tuned model for your specific use case. And apart from that, it's so good for its low power consumption, as they have clearly mentioned here that it's their most power efficient Gemma model. And it can be also run on a mobile. Here they say, right, internal test on a Pixel 9 Pro phone show that model use just 0.75% of the battery for 25 conversations. So that's an amazing thing that Google is trying to do now. They are literally directly running their models on the phone, and this is very less, to be honest. Like 25 conversations is a lot, and this model can run on a mobile phone just consuming 0.75%. That's insane, to be honest. That's how energy efficient this model is. And here they are having some points when to use this Gemma 3 270 million model. First thing is when we have a high volume and well defined task. So it has given some examples like sentiment analysis, entity extraction, query routing, unstructured to structured text processing, creative writing, and compliance task. So basically, if you have some text and you want to like process the text to infer something from that, the 270 million model is to go. And next one is you need to make every millisecond and microcent count. So they literally say here this model is the perfect choice in case if you want to reduce the response time, as it delivers faster responses and also very less cost. Because literally you can fine tune this model, fine tune with your own data set and just directly deploy on your infrastructure or your own device itself, because it can literally run anywhere. And next one is also the same. It allows for rapid fine tuning experiments. And another one is important point, you need to ensure your user privacy, because the models that we use, in case if you are going to use an AI API, right, we are sending our data and that person can literally do anything with our data. But by using this model on our local infrastructure, that data stays with us. So that's the thing that they're saying. This model can entirely run on device. You can build applications, handle sensitive information without sending the data to the cloud. And these models are available everywhere like Hugging Face, Olama, LLM Studio, Docker. If you're using the Google Cloud, you're having Vertex AI, you can directly try there. And of course, Hugging Face everywhere, and you can even like literally download and use it. So amazing move by Google, and I feel like they are launching this model because I guess literally a week ago OpenAI launched 2 open source models, and Google just has now blown everyone out of this park because this is an extremely small model. The open source models that have come earlier requires a lot of computing power, and in my opinion I feel this model will be the best use case in case if you're having a really simple AI chatbot in your application that doesn't require greater thinking and quick and cheap execution. Do let me know in the comments what you think about it. Check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.